Hi guys, thanks for stopping by my channel. Today we're going to do something totally different. We're going to make this bench. So we're getting away from the CNC today, and all this summer I'm going to start making some furniture and like tables, chairs, outdoors pretty much. So today we're going to make this bench. Now these side rests on both sides, I got these off of Amazon. I saw this on Instagram and I said, hey, that's going to make making a bench a lot easier. So I went ahead and purchased these. They're $48. They come with hardware. All you have to do is buy the 2x4s, cut them down to the size you want, up to 6 feet, and attach them. And then you can stain them, you can customize it, you can do whatever you want. So today I'm going to show you how to make just a plain bench. Then after that I'm going to customize this, and I am going to post the photos on my Instagram at MKS Wood Art. So check that out, and check out my Facebook page, MKS Signs, MKS Wood Signs, sorry, and like my page if you like my stuff. So let's get on with the build.